This construction will show copying an angle. I've purposely made an angle here of no particular measurement. I don't know how many degrees it is. But I'm going to copy it using only a compass. So what I really want to do is not only do I want to copy the degrees of the angle, but I also want to copy the lengths of the legs here that the angle uses. So the first thing I think I'm going to do is I am going to strike an arc that is the length of the shorter of the two legs. It's going to go across both, about like that. Now, what I need to do to start my next angle is I need to start with a point. This is going to be the vertex. It's going to be the sister point, you might say, to the pointy point of the angle. And I'm going to strike an arc. I might make it a little bit longer than this one just to make sure that I can include everything within it. Now, from this point to anywhere on this arc, that is the length of this shorter leg. So I'm going to take and draw in that shorter leg. Now, the angle up here is different than the angle up there. That's not going to matter when it's done. So the next step is to take and measure with my tool the distance between this point and this point. I'm pretty close where it is. I'm going to bring my tool in so that I can strike an arc right through that intersecting point there. It doesn't matter from which end you work. So I'm going to take this intersecting point and strike an arc across my previous arc there. Oops, I don't know that I want to totally connect that yet. Because the last thing, if I'm going to make this exactly the same in terms of lengths of legs, is I need to get a measurement here. So that looks about right. So I'm going to strike an arc out past that. It's going to give me my length of leg. So now I'm going to take a line from the vertex through this intersection here of arcs, and it's going to stop at the arc that I have drawn out there. So there I've copied an angle, not totally in the same arrangement, but the measure of the angle here is equal to the measure here, and this leg are congruent, and this leg and this leg are congruent. You don't always need to make the legs congruent. It depends on the situation.